Warm kapuso welcome ang muling natanggap ni Catherine Bernardo sa kanyang pagbisita sa GMA. Ang welcoming committee mula sa GMA Integrated News, sinamahan pa ni Alden Richards.
Catherine, hindi alam ng marami na for a while, di ba, you did a project with GMA.
Yes, Endless Love.
Gumanap si Catherine sa 2010 series ni Digdong Dantes at Marian Rivera, kung saan gumanap siya bilang Young Jenny, ang role ni Kapuso Primetime Queen.
I think if I remember it correctly, I was 13 or 14. Ang galing, kasi this is my first time here. Lahat sila, grabe mag-welcome every time pupunta ako dito sa GMA. Ang warm lahat ng tao dito. And ang sarap sa pakiramdam.
Sa pagbabalik niya sa GMA, ibang-iba na si Catherine, matured and full of wisdom. Lahat daw ng ito nagmula sa mga pagsubok na hinarap niya sa nagdaang taon.
Ang daming lessons. So it's about self-love, of course. It's about finding a different meaning of love. And I'm talking about friends, I'm talking about family. And siguro, the biggest lesson na natutunan ko, you have to make time for the things that matter. So, natutunan ko how to make time or how to take a pause. Sasabihin ko, medyo I'm kinda exhausted or tired. So, sasabihin ko, maybe I need a break. And then,
May mga naituro ba si Alden sa kanya, lalo't mas naging malalim ang kanilang friendship matapos nilang gawin ang Hello Love Goodbye noong 2019.
it's just amazing because hindi lahat kaya. Hindi ko kaya kung paano yung ginagawa niya. So, minsan pag napapagod ako, tapos titingnan ko siya, iisipin ko, eto nga, di nagreklamo. Ang dami, pag kailangan mo ng advice, you just talk to him. And then,
So magte-text ka lang sa kanya, gano'n?
or sometimes, hindi ako nahihiyang magtanong sa kanya. Like, hindi ko kailangan i-filter yung mga questions ko because I know na hindi siya ma-offend also.
At dahil sa friendship nila ni Catherine, Alden admitted that he is a changed man.
One thing that she made me realize is don't take life too seriously. I think siya yung nagpa-realize sa akin niya, it's okay to say no at times. Value your time for yourself, time for your loved ones. Take everything one day at a time. Hindi ka superhero.
One battle at a time.
One battle at a time.
Sa aming usapan, ikinwento ni Kat na nakakaramdam pa rin siya ng pressure sa araw-araw dahil sa tagumpay na tinatamasa ng kanyang karera.
It's just hard.
Sa social media, gano'n?
Yeah, I think, but more than the social media, I think it's the pressure.
Yeah.
And I don't work well under pressure. Lahat naman may good and bad side. Maybe it's just hard for our job because when you do something right, people will praise you. But when we do something bad or when we make decisions,
One wrong mistake.
people will bash you twice as much. So, ang hirap sigurong matuto kasi lahat ng tao inihintay lang yung magkamali ka. And kung normal na tao, hindi naman ganun yan, di ba po? But then again, we're public figures and we chose this job. So at the end of the day, it's having the right mindset. It's being grateful for everything.
Dahil isang linggo na lang at mapapanood na sa big screen ang continuation ng love story ni Joy at Ethan. Excited pero kinakabahan daw ang dalawa.
It's easy to ship you. Kasi, of course, you have a movie and may love team kayo. And of course, a lot of fans, nothing goes overboard. Na pati yung personal life nyo, nako-comment.
Yes.
How do you feel about that?
That can't be helped eh. Kumbaga nga, di ba, pag umorder ka sa fast food, kasama sa budget meal, kasama siya sa package. I think Kat also agrees with me na the reason why we chose to stay here is because we always want to see the goodness that we can do for other people more than the negatives. Everyone has always something to say. And the least you could do you know, do it for yourself is to not be bothered by these things that they say. No, not at all.
Grabe. Are you?
Not at all.
Grabe siya.
Not at all. Kasi baka kung pinatulan ko lahat ng mga negatives of the social media and the bad things that people say about me, baka matagal na ako wala. But, you know, when things, syempre, of course, tao lang din tayo. Darating yung time na we'll get fed up, napapagod. You always go back. Ba't ka ba nagsimula? I always go back to that. Bakit ba ako nagsimula? Para kanino ba to? I guess it's the genuinity of the relationship. I think yun yung pinaka-isa sa I look forward all the time with that. Kasi,
Can you clarify the term relationship is that?
Ang kabuuang detalye, abangan sa part 2 ng aming exclusive interview bukas. Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happening.